We have is we have castor oil and rubber particles on top. So basically, we visualize magnetic field lines with iron filings, right? But we never look upon like electric field. So we have different setups for different configuration of charges. So first we have point charge. This is for point charge, which is like radially outward. And we have 2 point charges, so it starts from one and ends at the second. And we have two parallel line charges, and one parallel line and one point charge. So that's the whole idea.
So, how much voltage you are?
Voltage we are giving 4 volts, and we are getting up to 40 kilovolts.
14 kilovolt.
Kilovolts.
So, what is the cost for this?
Sorry,
Cost?
300 to 400 bucks.
What it called?
It's called like
actually high voltage
boost up
transformers
transformer.
Booster transformer.
Boost up.
Boost up transformer.
मी आता जस्ट
In
याच्यात
Amazon
बट हे डीसी अप्लाय करून राहिलेले म्हणजे याचा अर्थ त्यामध्ये त्याचा काहीतरी फ्रिक्वेन्सी जनरेटर असायला पाहिजे.
Okay, please explain.
व्हॉट इज दिस सोल्युशन?
काय केलंय
जेल फोरोसिस
We didn't have
Oil.
much of that.
ऑइल आहे, कॅस्टर ऑइल.
This is oil.
It's castor oil and those particles are rava. So rava is like polar in nature, like it polarizes when you apply
It has some
electric
water.
field. Sorry?
It has some water in it.
No.
Not water. It will
रवा.
रवा.
हे पार्टिकल्स
रवा खरंच पोलर असतो का?
होऊ शकतो.
बायोमॉलिक्यूल आहे ते.
हवाईचं बायोमॉलिक्यूल त्यात काय आहे त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड
Maybe waterमुळे-
वॉटरमुळेच असणार आहे. दुसरं काय असणार किंवा काय
So-
सॉल्ट कंटेंट असणार.
Okay.
Will you start explaining again?
Yeah, sure. So what we have is like we usually like from school we know how to visualize magnetic field lines and filings, right? But we never think about like how to visualize electric field lines. So this is the experiment which actually gives like students an idea of like how different configuration of charges can give different field lines. So we start with like the point charge, one single point charge. So it's just rubber on top of castor oil. You can take any non-conductive viscous oil, like coconut oil also you can take. Should be non-conductive. So that is just to retain its shape. Whenever I turn it off, it still remains in that shape, right? So it's just for that. So
what is there? How this shape are formed?
So we are applying. So you see a ring of electrode. One electrode is there, and one is
Basically you require a high voltage.
high voltage. Correct. So this is a transformer, booster transformer, which takes in 3 volts, gives out 40 kilovolts.
Okay.
But it's not dangerous because the current it gives is like
It's very small.
So, current is the dangerous part. Right? So voltage is high. So so you can see radial pattern, right? So
Forming radial pattern.
Isotropic radiation it is showing.
Yeah, exactly. So
So in all direction it is uniform.
correct.
रिंग आहे.
If you can disturb
We
it,
can
then
disturb. Check. It will take a little while
Time to settle.
Yeah, settle down. But yeah.
But it will arrange.
Sorry.
It is again aligned with itself.
Yeah, it will
If
align.
it is disturbed,
So once it get polarized, one particle's positive side will get attracted to
what is
other particles'
aligning?
negative.
Beta, what is aligning? What is aligning over there?
The rubber particles.
Rava means
Actually they are
Semolina.
actually they are creating their own field lines.
So let's say this is the
डिस्टर्ब केलं तर ते
particle.
पुन्हा तयार झालं.
So actually the fluid is aligning itself.
they are
No, fluid.
Fluid is just
Not fluid, they are
helping it to
basically-
move freely.
they are metallic particles.
Particles are moved.
So Rava get charged.
It won't get charged.